Welcome to This Week in Vexly. Starting off, we will review our trade ideas from last week. First idea we had was a long on HD. Our market maker model was long. We also noted that our gamma profile showed peak negative at 280, which would act as a magnet for price, and had an upside target of 290 to 295. From Monday's open, HD was up 7.32%. For our second idea, we like Alibaba as a short last week. Our market maker model was short and bearish. We also mentioned that peak positive was set at 85, and that should act as the ceiling for the week, while peak negative was set at 80, which was our short target. From Monday's open to low of week, Alibaba was down 3.18%. Now let's get into our trade ideas for the week ahead. Our first idea for the week is short AMD. Our market maker model is short and bearish, but Pluto is currently coming off a sell signal and is neutral. Moving to our gamma profile, we have 110 as our peak positive and peak negative. Therefore, we see 110 acting as a magnet for price this week. Moving lower, we have our Vanna profile, with 120 being peak positive and 100 being peak negative. Scrolling lower, we have our skew model, which is majorly bearish for the week, and here is the weekly seasonality for AMD. Lastly, we have our VX levels. One thing to note is the phantom wicks from last week are pointing for price to drop. For our second idea, we like CRWD as a short this week. Our market maker model is short and bearish, but Pluto is neutral, but very close to signaling a sell. Moving to our gamma profile, we have peak positive set at 190 and peak negative set at 180. Moving lower to our Vanna profile, we have peak positive at 200 and peak negative at 180. Based on our profiles, we want to see price stay below 190 for a short down to 180. Next, we have our skew model, which is bearish for the week ahead, and here is the weekly seasonality for CRWD. Lastly, we have the VX levels, with one thing to note is the unusual volume at 188 on Friday, which could be a sign of a reversal starting before we see 190. That's all for this week. To recap, we like AMD as a short and think price we return to 110, and if below can see 108 to 106. For our second idea, we like CRWD as a short below 190 and have a price target of 180 set. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.